Hey, it's Matt here. In today's video, I want to take a minute to talk to you about choosing a loan officer. When you're buying a house, there are two really important people you work with. You have your buyer's agent who's representing you, and you have your loan officer who's giving you the financing. I think there are a few critical things you need to keep in mind as you choose that loan officer. So here are those top three. One of the things you want to look for in a loan officer is somebody you trust. This is the person you're going to be sharing a lot of personal financial information about. You want to feel comfortable with them. They're going to really be helping you choose the best product, choose the best loan, and get the best rates. So the other piece that you really want to look at with a lender is the products. There are a lot of loan products out there. A lot of people think there's only one loan. There are many mortgages, and sometimes there are custom mortgages or portfolio loans and just all kinds of options. So choose a loan officer and a loan company that has many options so you can get the one that's best for you. Then I think the third thing, and probably the most important, is you want to choose a lender that has good service. A big aspect of great service is, do they close on time? Some people have a lot of hype around their app, or they have marketing around different things that they do. At the end of the day, you need a loan officer who will close your loan and close it on time, because that's the contractual obligation that we all have. So just keep that in mind. And as you're talking to a loan officer initially, feel out how comfortable they are answering your questions and who can guide you through the process and help you understand each different aspect. And then the other piece that I think you should consider would be fees. I would argue this is probably the least important thing. In general, lenders are capped on the amount of fees they can charge you. I would say this: if the lender's spending a lot of money on marketing and have flashy commercials, they probably have high fees. And I also want to caveat about fees. A lot of people spend a lot of time up front trying to shop for the best rate, and the rates are not going to get locked in until you bring your lender a contract. So don't spend tons of time choosing the lender with the best rates, because those change every day until you bring them a contract. Choose one of the lenders that has one of the other top criteria I mentioned. They're trustable, they have great service, and they have great products. So really spend time getting to know your lender and choosing a lender in the beginning of your home buying journey.